everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can turn on the safe mode of our Windows 10 with networking. Okay, so let's get started. Here in our Windows icon, please make a right click and then go to Task Manager. And the reason sometimes why we're asked to turn safe mode for our device is usually because of virus infection and problems with application. Okay, so here when we're in the task manager window, all we need to do is just click on this run new task option to create new task. And here we need to type for msconfig. It's msconfig. Now check this option that says create this task with administrative privileges. Now click on OK. And this system configuration window will come up on our screen. Here we need to select boot options or boot tab. And under boot tab, we need to select for our boot options. Okay, so we have safe boot, no GUI boot, boot log, base video, or OS boot information. So here we need to select for safe boot, and instead of minimal, please click on network. Okay, so once you select network, it means that whatever internet or broadband you are using, it will be connected, which is also recommended. Now after doing so, we can now click on apply and then click on OK. So once you do that, the next time when you turn on the machine, it will be in a safe mode with networking. And assuming that you're done with networking, you can also please go back to this window or go back to this place when you're done, and then you need to allow this, or you need to uncheck this to allow for your machine or device to be back to normal mode. So once you uncheck this, just click on apply and then click on OK. Okay, so that's it. I hope you follow the process, and if you think that this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.